Hello, Body Fangs. Walk to the bush. Guys, have you ever been to an area called the Westrand? Die Woesrand. Yeah. And all of a sudden, you get this faraway look in your eyes like a person looking for firewood because you are so hungry. And now you don't have to go and eat die termiete van die boombaas af. Come with me. Jette, ek so bly ge-excited soos 'n klein rooikop laaitjie met sproete en 'n sweet chop. There's nothing better in the world soos 'n pie, chips and gravy. Pie met spice. Hulle borsrolle is 'n mond vol.
Kyk, ek is so lekker lus vir 'n chicken and muffin.
So many bloody choices, can you see that? Ek vat sommer 'n hele boks vol.
Moer se chocolate chip cookie.
You can sommer come park off here during your lunch hour. Have a pie, chips and gravy. Jotte! Yummies! Oh, smaak oor die engeltjie op my tong gepiepie. Yummy! No wonder it's South Africa's #1 pie. It's made just right.